Beautiful custom home in Miller Creek Subdivision. Situated on 1+ acre, this brick home features 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, full basement and double garage. Enter the foyer to oak millwork finished hardwoods and a cozy sitting room. From the foyer, continue to the open floor plan with a spacious living room, kitchen and dining area. The kitchen features honed granite countertops, heated island, black stainless steel appliances and a walk-in pantry. The owner's suite features a double vanity with granite countertops, tile shower, and large walk-in closet. Off the foyer, you will find 2 bedrooms with walk-in closets and a shared full bath. Many pocket doors throughout the home. Main level also features a half bath and laundry room with sink. On the lower level you will find a large entertainment/game room, a full bath and a workshop.